everybody. Mike Davlos.
Hello. Hi. How are you guys, huh? Great? You sound great. You sound really great. Alright, I promised that I would start with an impression. And this is my impression of both Alan Rickman and Bruce Willis. I'm going to count to 3. Yeah? Like you do it to Cotton? Alan Rickman and Bruce Willis. Nobody remembers that part of Daniel? Okay. Well, it happened. It happened. So I'm a man of size. And usually like they'll decide how fat you are by BMI. And I was grocery shopping today, and I typically do this thing. I don't have a car, right? So I'm always walking the groceries home, and I'll pick up the groceries like on the way out. And I feel like I really start to realize how out of shape and fat I am by how many times I have to change position of my arms walking home with the groceries, right? So I'm like walking with them, like kind of turning my arm inside out to switch the muscle that's carrying the stuff, wishing that I hadn't bought a 2-liter of soda. Like being like, I wish I had bought that 6-ouncer of ham. And by the time I get like near my house, everyone thinks that there's something else wrong other than that I'm just carrying my groceries because I'm so sweaty. That's that whole joke. No, you guys don't like that? Oh, okay, so here's a real thing. And since there's no women in the room, everyone I think should get it. Do we all know, like when you're at a baseball game or anywhere where there's a line of urinals, there's always the one, it's only old dudes or children, I hope it's none of you, where they pull the pants all the way down to urinate, like in the butt cheeks are out? Like why is anyone doing that? I call it the white tiger because it's rare and it's usually very bright. But I feel like, first of all, if you're a kid and you're doing it, your dad should tell you to pull your pants up. And second of all, if you're an old man and you're doing it, no one's going to say shit to you because you're an old man with your ass out. But we need to avoid that. So if you have kids, don't let them bring the white tiger out. Look, the shake. Okay, the shake works. Everyone thinks the shake weight's funny. So do I. And here's another thing. My friend Claire has like a 4-year-old kid that's really annoying, and that's a separate story. That I'm not going to tell. But we know the Danish butter cookie tins, right? We know those. First of all, this isn't the joke, but why are only 2 types of those cookies covered in those giant sugar crystals, right? I think we all only want the pretzel-shaped ones with the sugar crystals on the top. So why do we have the other ones? Is there anybody other than my grandma, who's now dead, that ever ate the non-sugar ones? No. So just put a fucking tin full of pretzel-shaped cookies in there, and we can all have the cookies that we want. Secondly, when those are empty, please don't ever let anybody put crayons or fucking paper clips or whatever the fuck else goes in there, because I'm 240 pounds and when I see a fucking tin full of Danish cookies, I'm praying that there's a pretzel cookie in there, and when it's crayons, I'm furious. Okay, that one okay. I'll tell one more, and this is real. We all know that apparently President Obama just finished a children's book. You guys know that? And then, so I mean, he's really avoiding the necessary tasks. He's just, right now he's completed that, going to the next easiest thing on the list. And it's called, Oh, the Places You'll Promise to Go. Promise to go. You guys don't read. Okay. I don't think I have anything else. White people on cops is really funny. Right? Why are handicapped sinks so big? Does everyone they expect that's handicapped coming into that bathroom have elephantitis of the hands? I don't know. Because I don't know why they have to have the sink be so big. I'm done. Thanks.
Yeah! Mike Davlos, everybody. All right, some more comedians here. I think we are consistent. We are consistently having only 7 comedians left from the get-go and up.